and at the end, mostly he used
आता
to
आता आता चेक करा.
discuss about one word that is ask. A
आता
S
चेक करा.
K.
ऑडिओ येते. आता येते.
Ask.
एवढा वेळ काय होतं? लावलं होतं. हे यांचं
A for
परीक्षा आहे.
attitude, S for skills, and K for knowledge. Ask. And these are the three important
हॅलो
components for
हॅलो
any type of innovations.
बोल.
Innovations
हां
definitely comes through
जो या बेटे हो
attitude.
आहे.
If your attitude is always positive, then definitely innovations is come in your mind. If you have a definite or proper skill set along with a proper knowledge, definitely your innovative idea may flourish and definitely you will become a very good researcher or innovator. At the same time, you must have a collaborative approach. Unless and otherwise, nothing will be happening. आधीचा काळ होता की if anyone is doing research, that is his monopoly. But now this is not the case. I have seen most of the posters displayed by or presented by undergraduate students, postgraduate students, PhD students. Some of my young teachers also presented the posters. खूप सुंदर असे पोस्टर्स आज या समिट मध्ये प्रेझेंट झाले अँड आय एम व्हेरी मच थँकफुल बिकॉज इट इज अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क इवन फॉर जजेस because I have seen the posters from all dimensions of the pharmacy. Start from pharmaceutics, pharmacology, gene therapy, bioprint, 3D bioprinting, molecular modeling, docking, simulation, pharmacogenomics, biotechnology, bioinformatics, artificial intelligence. Everything is covered. That means really the students are doing very hard work. But मी आता सांगितलं की आधीचा जो काळ होता त्या काळामध्ये तुम्हाला फारशी कोलॅबरेशनची जरूरत पडत नव्हती कारण व्हॉट एव्हर आय एम डुईंग दॅट इज माय ओन रिसर्च अँड आय होप ती माझी स्वतःची प्रॉपर्टी आहे आणि मी त्या रिसर्चचा स्वतः इन्व्हेंटर आहे बट नाउ आफ्टर द COVID-19 I used to say the pre-COVID era and post-COVID era is totally different. After COVID, our thinking limitations is increased in another dimensions. आपल्याला कोविडच्या नंतरचा काळ एक वेगळी विचार करण्याची आपल्याला त्या कोविडने सवय लावलेली आहे आणि हे अतिशय पॉझिटिव्ह असं कोविडच्या नंतरच्या काळामधलं एक असं साईन होतं कारण कोविडच्या आधीचा काळ आणि कोविडच्या नंतरचा काळ हा अतिशय रिसर्चसाठी किंवा इनोव्हेशनसाठी एक डिफरंट माइंडसेट घेऊन आलेला काळ व्हाय आय एम सेइंग दिस just before 4 or 5 days back I went to one panel discussion organized by Nutritional Society of India at GH Raisoni Institution where I am also one of the panelists and during this panel discussion there is two microbiologists, one is biochemist, one is physician, Ayurveda physician, one is psychologist, one is diabetologist, one is nutrition, and one more person, his area is related to food science and food science technology. So everyone on the dais is expressing his view according to his domain. जसं मी त्या कॉन्फरन्समध्ये सांगितलं की व्हॉट आर द डिफरंट एव्हेन्यूज इन फार्मास्युटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज ॲज पर prebiotic, postbiotic, symbiotics, and postbiotics. Same thing. A physician from Ayurveda, he also discussed about the various aspects and limitation and advantage, disadvantage about the gut health, how it improves. And even psychologists also discuss how the psychology of individual plays an important and crucial role in maintaining our gut health. So that's what I am saying. Collaborative research through innovation is very important, and this is the time. And such summit, such conference, such workshop is really helpful for budding students or budding pharmacists to grab something new. During discussion, Dr. Vinod told me today we have three speakers and keynote speakers. In these three lectures, first is about empowering innovation through networking and collaboration. Dr. Nanuti, a senior professor in Priyadarshini Group, means he discussed about the many issues related to networking because unless and otherwise a proper collaboration with your colleagues and with all stakeholders, no one can succeed. The next lecture is delivered by Dr. Prakash Itenkar, professor at our department, and really this topic is so versatile, that is success stories of industry and academia at UDPS. आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटमधून अगदी छोटे छोटे एंटरप्रेनर टू बिग इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट लाईक अजंता फार्मा आणि यांनी जेव्हा अजंता फार्मा सारख्या पुरुषोत्तमजी अग्रवाल जेव्हा पोहोचले असतील तेव्हा अर्थात ही स्टोरी इटनकर सरांनी आपल्या याच्यामध्ये कदाचित नमूद केलेली असावी. आय डोंट नो बिकॉज आय एम नॉट देअर, बट त्यांच्यामध्ये इनोव्हेटिव्ह आयडियाज आणि कोलॅबरेशन या दोन्ही गोष्टी होत्या, म्हणून ते त्या लेवलपर्यंत गेले. आणि तिसरं जे लेक्चर होतं ॲडव्हान्स ड्रग डिलिव्हरी सिस्टीम इन इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज, दॅट मीन्स दिस वन डे summit is a blend of all type of combination, and really it is very important for young minds to enter as a budding pharmacist. At the last, I am always saying today is an era of collaboration, and in this collaborative era, every student, every teachers must follow five things that I am always saying to budding students. That is, first is coordination. There should be a coordination between you and your all team members. There should be a proper coordination with science or even out of the science boundaries as well. Second is First is coordination, second is cooperation. To take cooperation from different fields, because now everything is your tip of fingers. That means coordination is also important, cooperation is that much important, because cooperation plays a vital role for your proper development. Then everyone needs to be a proper commitment. Without commitment, काहीही होऊ शकत नाही. जोपर्यंत तुमची स्वतःची कमिटमेंट त्या कामाप्रती नसेल, you can't do anything. That means commitment is that much important. And next is confidence. Commitment सोबत तुमचा confidence level it should be at a
I
very
didn't
high
understand that.
level. आणि at last the culture of working. आजकाल तसं कल्चर राहिलं नाही. तो काय करतो आणि मी काय करतो, माझं त्याला सांगायचं नाही, त्याचं मला कळलं पाहिजे, पण माझं काय आहे ते त्याला कळू नये. डोंट डू लाईक दिस. डेव्हलप अ व्हेरी गुड कल्चर अमंग्स युअर रिसर्च ग्रुप. डेफिनेटली यू विल सक्सीड. आणि त्याच्याचमुळे या कोलॅबरेशनच्या माध्यमातून किंवा इनोव्हेटिव्ह कोलॅबरेशन्स जे आहे, इनोव्हेशन आणि कोलॅबरेशन ह्याच्या या समिटच्या शेवटी मला हे सांगायचं आहे की यू फॉलो दिस 5C. डेफिनेटली युअर कोलॅबरेशन इज गुड कोलॅबरेशन अँड डेफिनेटली विल सक्सेस. विथ दिस फ्यू वर्ड्स and finally I am very much thankful for Dr. Vinod and sir for inviting me as a guest over here, and really it's a proud privilege for me to sit with Digre sir and all such distinguished fellow colleagues. Thank you once again and thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Now, I would like to call Dr. Rita Sathyan to please welcome our conference with her few words.
पीछे जाते हैं चाची को.
Very good evening to everyone. मला वाटतं मी तुम्हाला
कॉलर माइक दे बोलना उनको.
Chief Patron of this Pharma Summit, Honorable Shri Dattaji Mehte, Patrons, Honorable Samirji Mehte and Ramaji Mehte, Conveners of this Pharma Summit, Professor Narendra Digre, Professor Vinod Thakre, Co-Conveners of this summit, Dr. Vaibhav Planchiwar, who is IPSC head, Dr. Anshu Dubey, Mrs. Namrata Mani, all other dignitaries on the dais, dear participants. I am delighted to be here and invited as a guest to witness this valedictory function of Pharma Summit 2025. All of you know such type of summits or conferences, these are the life wires of all the academicians. It connects the academics as well as students to share their views and learn from their views and ideas to enter into the innovation. And such type of learning is helpful to our students to implement these innovations in our classrooms as well as in routine practicals too. It is worthy to note here, I am connected to Dr. Vinod Thakre since 2001, and we had the experiences and time that we shared to build an academic relationship. Someone said it is good to begin, it is great to begin and great greater to end. So at this note, we reach at the end of this summit, advancing healthcare through collaborative innovation and through collaboration and innovation with the various issues discussed along the lines of the themes of the summit, advancing drug delivery systems, drug designing, discoveries, etc. This summit brought together the intelligent minds with torrents of information, ideas, and have shared wealth of knowledge and experiences. A platform such as this encourages the collaboration, interconnectivity, and lasting relationships. I wish I wish my sincere thanks to the organizing committee members who have put their efforts to bring this event to such a for such a successful organizing such a successful event. And I am also thankful for inviting me here as a guest for this valedictory function. With this note, I conclude my few words and wish you all the very best for your poster presentations who have taken the efforts to present their research in this summit. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance and support. Now I would like to request Dr. Nikhil Dubore, sir, Principal of College Dadasaheb Balkani College's Diploma in Pharmacy, to address the conference.
Very good evening to all, respected guys, chief guest for the valedictory function of today's Pharma Summit, Dr. Prafulla Sabre sir, guest of honor Dr. Vidya Sabre ma'am, convener of the Pharma Summit Dr. Vinod Sabre sir, director of Nagpur College of Pharmacy Dr. Digade sir, Uplenchuan sir, Mani madam, HOD for Diploma in Pharmacy, all the invited evaluator, jury member, respected faculty member and my dear students. I am very much thankful to Convener Thakre sir and his team for inviting me here in Pharma Summit as a chairperson for session of Dr. Bankar sir, and along with he also given an opportunity to be guest of honor at valedictory function. Throughout the three sessions, this deliberation was very much insightful as well as wonderful. I can tell you 100% sir, each and every one participant, those who were present during this deliberation, they have been very much acquainted with the theme that is advancing healthcare through collaboration and innovation, because if you see all the three sessions were connecting with a certain portion of innovation as well as collaboration, and what are the advantages of this collaboration. So one can be reciprocate his or her research work into innovative products. So thank you very much, sir. It was really very nice, properly executed and organized Pharma Summit by team Nagpur College of Pharmacy. So big round of applause for the organizers. And we are very much thankful that you people have invited us to be part of this innovative summit, and hoping for your collaboration in future too. So thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Professor Dr. Narendra Reddy, sir, to share his wisdom of thoughts.
Good evening to each and everyone. Chief guest of this concluding function, Dr. Prafulla Sabre sir, Dr. Vidya Sabre Madam, Thakre Sir, Nitin Dubore Sir, Mane Madam, and all these dignitaries who are there. Now this today, we have heard this lot of lectures about our theme, advancing healthcare through collaboration and innovation. Now one thing is very clear, when we say about this collaboration, is it so now? Because there is no cooperation amongst ourselves. There is no attitude of coordinating each and everyone. How these collaborations will be there? No doubt we know that collaboration accelerate this every work very easily by taking the examples of COVID or other examples. So hence, it is very necessary to have this cooperation amongst ourselves and we have to build that attitude. Now we spoke about innovation. Is this innovation is for ourselves or for the society? How much of the research work we are doing is useful for the society, that is to be thought of. When we speak about this advancing healthcare, then it should be say helpful to the society. Now what say a person expect from this all these innovators or this healthcare system organizer, that I should get a correct treatment as at a cheaper cost. Is it so now? That are the very questions which are lying over there and that has to be thought out. And all the informations which we have collected now, or you might have heard from these eminent speakers, that information must be converted into this idea, and idea shall be converted in innovation, then and then only that will be the usefulness of attending this conference. Here, with this said, I will not give this much of the slippery dose to you because you are much tired. So I will stop my saying here only. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Now I request our principal, Dr. Vinod Thakre, sir, to address the conference.
Good afternoon, respected guests, respected Professor Sabole.